to ask the Lord's blessing. He chastens and hastens His will to make known. The wicked oppressing now cease from distressing. Sing praises to His name, He forgets not His own. Beside us to guide us, our God with us joining, ordaining, maintaining His kingdom divine. So from the beginning the fight we were winning. Thou, Lord, wast at our side, all glory be thine. For the beauty of the earth,
for the glory of the skies,
for the love which from our birth
over and around us lies.
Lord of all, to Thee we raise. This our hymn of grateful praise. Come, ye thankful people, come, praise the song of harvest home.
All is safely gathered in,
Ere the winter storms begin, God our Maker doth provide for our wants to be supplied. Come to God's own temple, come, praise the song of harvest home. We all do extol Thee, Thou leader triumphant, and pray that Thou still our defender wilt be. Let Thy congregation escape tribulation. Thy name be ever praised, O Lord, make us free. Thy name be ever praised, O Lord, make us free.
Turkey time, turkey time. You know it's turkey time, turkey time. Come on, it's turkey time, turkey time. Everybody, turkey time, turkey time. Gobble, 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 stop. 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 Turkey time, turkey time. You know it's turkey time.